Window installation in Washington, D.C. is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of custom windows, Washington, D.C. options available, including energy-efficient windows, custom window design, and window replacement, residents can find the perfect solution to meet their needs. Whether you're interested in double-hung windows, bay windows, or casement windows, Washington, D.C. window installation experts are ready to assist. Energy-efficient windows in D.C. are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. With options like insulated windows and storm windows, Washington, D.C. residents can enjoy significant savings on their energy bills. Custom window design in Washington offers homeowners the opportunity to create unique and personalized window solutions. From selecting the perfect window styles to choosing the right materials, such as vinyl windows or wood windows, custom window design, Washington experts can help bring your vision to life. Whether you're looking for a modern or traditional look, Custom Windows Washington, D.C. can be tailored to fit any aesthetic. Window replacement services in D.C. are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. D.C. window replacement services provide a range of options, including window replacement and window maintenance, to ensure your windows remain in top condition. With professional window contractors D.C., you can trust that your window replacement will be handled with care and precision. Double-hung windows D.C. are a versatile and popular choice for many homeowners. Known for their classic design and ease of use, double-hung windows offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean. Whether you're updating your current windows or installing new ones, double-hung windows D.C. provide a timeless look that complements any home. Bay windows Washington, D.C. add elegance and space to any room. These windows extend outward, creating a cozy nook that can be used for seating or display. Bay windows Washington, D.C. not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also increase natural light and provide expansive views of the outdoors. Casement windows D.C. are another excellent option for those seeking functionality and style. These windows are hinged at the side and open outward, allowing for maximum ventilation and unobstructed views. Casement windows D.C. are ideal for hard-to-reach areas and can be customized to fit any window opening. Vinyl windows Washington are a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners. Known for their energy efficiency and affordability, vinyl windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading. Vinyl windows Washington are available in a variety of styles and colors, making them a versatile choice for any home. Wood custom windows Washington, D.C. offer a classic and timeless appeal that many homeowners desire. With their natural beauty and excellent insulation properties, wood custom windows Washington, D.C. are a popular choice for those looking to add warmth and character to their home. These windows can be customized with various finishes and stains to match any interior design.